Hello students, welcome back in my second video lesson. Now I'm going to start solving problems from question number 6 of exercise 16.3 from your journal math book. I hope you are ready. So what is given in question number 6? At first try to see the question. The diameter of a circular park is 26 meter. There is a road of 2 meter wide surrounding the park. Actually determine the area of the road. But there is slight missing information. You just think there is this road is placed outside of the park. So what is the given information? Here, diameter of the circular park equal to what? Diameter of the circular park equal to 26 meter. Therefore, radius of the circular park are equal to 26.2 meter equal to 13 meter. Again, there is one trick. So what is the determine the area of the road actually? The width of the road equal to 2 meter. Therefore, width road, radius of the circular park, equal to 30 plus 2 meter equal to 50 meter. So now if necessary you can draw the figure also like this. That is park, that is road. So this is 2 meter, this is 30 meter. So how will you find them? Therefore, area of the park equal to pi r square equal to 3.1416 into radius, that is square meter. So what will be the result? Using calculator you can calculate the result very easily. That will be 530.93 square meter approximately. Again, area of the park with road that is pi into, you can indicate this result by capital R, pi r square. That will be, you can substitute the values. R square means 50 square meter. So what will be the result? 706.86 approximately. So what will be the area of the road? Therefore, area of the road equal to 86 minus 530.93 square meter. So if you subtract, you will get the result. Result will be 175.93 square meter approximately. You can check out the result using your calculator also. So I hope student by this time you can complete your writing. If necessary you can pause the video for completing your writing. Now we'll go for the question number 7. So what is given in question number 7? The diameter of the front wheel of a car 28 cm and the back wheel 35 cm. To cover the distance 88 meter, how many integer number of times more the front wheel will revolve than the back one? So Before solving this problem, you should know the one thing: any wheel or circular shape objects, by one rotation, it completes or it covers the distance which is equal to its circumference. So, if you know this thing, you can easily, by circumference or length of the total circular shape, if you divide any distance, you can calculate the number of rotation. For getting the individual number of rotation, you can approximate. Suppose the result will be 100 point something, you just write approximately 100 times. Okay, let's try to solve the problem. Question number 7. What are the things that are given? Question number 7. I hope again you see the question and read attentively and try to get the idea actually in which way you will solve this problem. So question number 7. Here, diameter of the diameter of the front wheel. Here, diameter of the front wheel equal to what? Diameter of the front wheel is 28 centimeter. Therefore, radius of front wheel 20 by 2 centimeter equal to 14 centimeter. And another information, diameter of back wheel. What is given? Diameter of the back wheel. Diameter of the back wheel is 35 centimeter. So, radius of the back wheel 35 by 2 centimeter equal to 17.5 centimeter. Here actually we will calculate the circumference of both wheel. Without finding out the radius, you can directly using the calculate the circumference of the wheel using diameter also. So if necessary, you can erase the radius of these two wheels directly using diameter of the wheel. You can calculate the circumference. If you write directly, therefore circumference of the front wheel equal to pi d, that is pi into 28 centimeter, that means 28 pi centimeter, and circumference of the back wheel, that is pi into 35 centimeter, that is 35 pi centimeter. So the first wheel in one rotation covers the distance this, and back wheel in one rotation covers the distance this. When in next part of the solution we will substitute the value for pi. Here, what are the distance? Here the distance is 88 meter. So 88 meter equal to 88 into 100 centimeter equal to 800 centimeter. Now, to cover the distance, front wheel will revolve. Now the distance 88 meter. Front wheel will revolve 28 pi times. If you put the value for pi, 28 into 3.1416 times, the result will be front wheel, in case of front wheel, 100.04 times, approximately 100 times, and to cover the distance 18 meter, back wheel will revolve how many times? So just try to divide 1800 by 35 times. So here ultimate result will be 80 times. The previous step we tried to show. So what is the question? So how many times more than the front wheel will revolve than the back one? Therefore, the front wheel will revolve more than the back one equal to 100 minus 80 times equal to 20 times. That is answer. Okay student, I hope you can understand this problem. You will complete this writing. If necessary, you can pause the video for completion of writing. So we'll see the next question, question number 8. Question number 8. The circumference of a circle is 220 meter. Determine the length of the side of the square inscribed in the circle. So here is given information is just circumference of a circle. So I am trying to show the information using figure so that you can easily understand which things are given and as per question which things you have to find out. Actually, the circumference was 220 meter. The length of the side of a square. Determine the length of the side of the square, which is inscribed in a circle. So I am going to question number 8 and try to draw the picture also. This is inscribed square. By freehand I am drawing. It may not be accurate picture, but using geometrical tools you can draw the picture. So which thing is given here or given information? Circumference of a circle equal to what? Circumference of a 220 meter. Right. For writing the formula, you have to introduce two information like radius of the circle or diameter of the circle. You can write directly diameter of the circle, and we need here actually diameter of the circle b diameter, and length of the side of the square, length of the side of square b diameter. Therefore, circumference of a circle pi d, since I am using meter. According to the question, the circumference is also given pi d equal to 220. So d equal to 220 by pi. You can calculate or you can't calculate also. Again, says the square inscribed in a circle. So length of the diagonal of a square equal to root 2 equal to diameter of the circle. Not necessary to write this, just directly write the given information, 220 by 5 meter. Again, length of a diagonal of a square equal to root 2 a meter. So according to question, you can form another equation also, root 2a square root over a. Square root over 2a equal to 220 by 5. So what will be the result? A equal to 220, 3.1416 into root 2. So what will be the length of the side? Length of the side actually 49.5173. 49.5173. Therefore, length of the side of the square, just write like this, 49.5173 meter approximately. That is answer. So I hope student you are understanding very well. So now we have left only two problems, that is 9 and 10. So I am going to solve the question number 9. What is given in question number 9? Question number 9, the circumference of a circle is equal to perimeter of an equilateral triangle. Determine the ratio of their areas. Just one condition is given, but no information is given. So to write the formula related to circle and equilateral triangle, you have to introduce the two information. Suppose for writing a formula for any formula for circle, you must have to know or introduce the radius, and to write the formula for triangle related any formula, you must introduce the length of the side. So first, by supposing, you can introduce these two things, and as per the given information, try to write the other things. So I hope again you will read the question and try to get the idea from the question. Question number 9. Let radius of the circle be, you can write also with unit, r unit, and length of the side of an equilateral triangle be a unit. So which things is given? The circumference of a circle is equal to perimeter of the equilateral triangle. Therefore, circumference of the circle equal to 2 pi r unit, and perimeter of an equilateral triangle 3a unit. According to question, 3a equal to 2 pi r, or a equal to 2 pi r by 3. Now you have to find the ratio for areas of these two figures. So I am writing directly actually. Ratio of the areas of circle and equilateral triangle. Just directly writing. Formula for area of the circle pi r square and formula for area of the equilateral triangle root 3 by 4 r square. For simplifying, you can write like this way, root 3 by 4 r square. So I am writing the next part for both pi r square, and if you reciprocal this 4 by root 3 s square. Instead of s square, you can write 2 pi r by 3. That means 4 pi square r square by 9. Now, again reciprocal, you can pi r square into 4 into 9 by root 3. Sorry. Yes. 4 into 9 by root 3 to 4 pi square r square. If you simplify, 4 will be cancelled and r square will be cancelled. If you divide by this, what is left? Pi. So if you divide 9 by factorizing by root 3, that will be 3 root 3. For shortage of space, I am writing directly. So what is left? 3 root 3 by pi, that is 3 root 3 is to pi, that is the answer. Just I am showing the one calculation here. If you divide 9 by root 3, you can write this way, 3 into root 3 into root 3 by root 3. It will be omitted, there will be 3 root 3. I hope you can understand this calculation. That is the answer for question number 9. Now I will solve the last problem taken from question number 10. So I hope student you can understand my previous discussion or solution. So see the next question. In next question, all things are given through the diagrams, and all the four diagrams are given in compound figure. So which things is given? The question is, determine the area of the dark marked region with the help of information given above. So just see the first figure. Just I am solving one problem taken from first figure, question number 10. I am doing just for figure 1. And you try to draw this figure also. There is given one figure. And information is also given. That is one triangle given like this way, and all parts are being shaded. Or dark work, the length of the sides also given. That is 9 centimeter. That is 10 centimeter. And another one is 8 centimeter. You have to calculate the area of whole region. But it's simple. This region is divided into two parts. This part is triangular shape and this part is semicircle shape. So I am not naming this figure. The given figure is divided into two parts. Which are semicircle and triangle. Semicircle and triangle. Here, diameter of the semicircle equal to 9 centimeter. Therefore, radius of the semicircle, we can indicate by r also, 9 by 2 centimeter equal to 4.5 centimeter. Therefore, area of the semicircle, you know the formula for circle pi r square. If you divide by 2, that will be the area for semicircle. 3.1416 into r square means 4.5 square by 2 square centimeter. And you can write the result for this. The result will be area of the semicircle, I think 31.808 square centimeter. And length of 3 sides of the triangle, sides of the triangle are, if you indicate by A, B, C like this, A equal to 10 centimeter, B equal to 9 centimeter, and C equal to 8 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of the triangle equal to, or you can write directly the semi-perimeter of the triangle. You can say the time S equal to A plus B plus C by 2. 9 plus 8 by 2 centimeter, that will be 19 and 8, 27 by 2, that is 13.5 centimeter. Therefore, area of the triangular part, area of the triangle, you have learned this formula in 16.1, that is square root over S into S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Now substitute the values for related symbol, that is 13.5, and if you subtract 10 from 13.5, that will be 3.5, and subtract 9, that will be 4.5, and also subtract 8, that will be 5.5 square centimeter. The result will be 34.197. 34.197 square centimeter. Therefore, area of the whole shaded region, or area of the dark mark, or dark hole part, area of the shaded whole region, or the whole shaded region. Just add these two parts. What was the first result? 31.808 plus 34.197 square centimeter. The result will be 66.005 square centimeter. 66.005 square centimeter. And there is given also another three picture. In second figure, square and semicircle part. In third figure, rectangle and semicircle part. In third figure, you have to subtract for getting the dark mark area. And in fourth figure, there is a square shape and inscribed circle also. You just calculate. Since the circle is inscribed in a square region, so length of the side of the square will be equal to diameter of the circle. So by this condition, using this condition, you can calculate the area for circle and also area for square. If you subtract these two area, you can get the dark mark area of the dark mark region. So that's all about for this exercise. I hope you will study well and keep watching. Thank you very much. See you again next video.